Hi there, everybody. So it has been confirmed that Crunchyroll will will be streaming Chainsaw Man's anime when it does get released um later this year, um and and Crunchyroll has also announced that thankfully um uh all Chainsaw Man's episodes w- w- will 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 be offered in both uh, original Japanese sub and and various uh, other international dubs, in, including of course English dub. Now sadly, everybody, Crunchyroll's announcement did, did, did not still has not given a definitive release date for 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 Chainsaw Man's anime to finally be released. However, Crun- they Crunchyroll's YouTube channel did re-release that teaser um that that earlier Chainsaw Man animation teaser that we got back about 10 months ago now, and at the end of that, all it said is coming soon. But again, guys, Crunchyroll will be streaming Chainsaw Man sometime later this year, and and both original Japanese and various other international dubs w- w- will be made available, hopefully um, simultaneously, or without much delay. So again, guys, um, Denji Hour and and the others will be streamed by Crunchyroll later this year. Have a good one.